Hello everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to change the time zone on TradingView so our charts match our local time, or the trading session we prefer. This step is really important, especially if we're following markets in a different time zone or comparing charts across different platforms. If we use the wrong time zone, it can get confusing to track market opens, closes, and candle patterns. So let's get started and walk through the process together. First, we want to open the chart that we want to adjust on TradingView. It's always best to make sure we're looking at the specific chart we plan to analyze, because this helps us see the time zone changes more clearly. Once our chart is open, we look at the bottom of the chart and find the time indicator. We can left-click anywhere on the time labels, or we can click on the gear icon and then click More Settings to open the chart settings. Inside the chart settings, we go to the Symbol tab. Here, we'll see an option called Time Zone. We click on it, and a list of time zones will appear. There are quite a lot of options, so we should take a moment to scroll through the list and select the time zone we want our chart to use. This can be our local time zone or the time zone of the exchange we're interested in. After we've selected our preferred time zone, we click OK or Save, depending on which TradingView version we're using. Now, our chart will show candles and timestamps in the time zone we chose. It's a simple change, but it really makes a big difference when our charts show the correct time zone. All the candles, opens, closes, and price movements will match the market hours we're watching. This helps us avoid mistakes like misreading trends, drawing support and resistance at the wrong times, or misunderstanding how the market is behaving. Now let's talk about a few best practices. We should always set our time zone before we start analyzing or drawing on our charts. This helps us avoid mistakes like thinking a candle is forming at the wrong time, or misunderstanding market moves. And we should always remember to save our layout, so we don't have to set the time zone again every time we open TradingView. Some common mistakes to watch out for are forgetting to save our changes, mixing up the chart time zone with our broker's time zone, or just assuming the default time zone matches our local time. Usually, it doesn't. Changing the TradingView time zone only takes a couple of minutes, but it keeps our charts accurate and consistent, which is really important if we're learning, analyzing, or trading seriously. So, just to recap, we want to make sure we open the right chart, go to the time zone settings, pick the right time zone, and save our layout. By doing this, we avoid confusion and make sure our analysis is always based on the correct market hours. If we ever notice something that doesn't look right on our chart, it's always a good idea to double-check the time zone setting. That's where this tutorial ends. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more easy TradingView guides, and we'll see you in the next one.